Welcome to my first video ever. Today is small video. So I went to Walmart today. I picked up a few signs. I picked up 4 signs. I picked out of the 3, I picked the best, and I'm putting this in. But I will be doing this sign video today, showing you them, and stay tuned to the end because I have something to say. Okay, and we're back. Okay, so here's my first sign. With the most juice and the most pepperoni at the nation's best. A part 2 of this video. Comment down below if y'all want that. So this is the pink one. It looks so cute. Now you can get these at Walmart in toy aisle on one of those machines now. On TV. I have another one. It's silver slime. Oh, and that's my mom's name. So, this is the phone. Oh, and Stacy, if you want to use it, cookie dough in one of them. It messed the time up like really bad. But I thought it would be fine. I thought it would smell better. Because it smelled like plastic and dirt. And old meat and cheese. But, no. So, yeah. This is still fine. No, not too much. Don't mind the meat in the bag. It's just now. On to the next, I have a strawberry ice cream bun. You can see the brand. I love this one. This is my favorite. And these are all homemade. These are supposed to be cut up strawberries inside. These two. Also, speaking because I'm also going to vlog at 12 o'clock when we fall to work. It will be a video. So, I'm sorry. It's okay. I will never share any of my okay. So, hope you liked my video. This is a 4-minute, 40-second video. Bye!